Hello, Donahue families and friends. I'm Will Hampton, your Director of Advancement here at Donahue Academy, and we need you. The big day is just around the corner, Giving Tuesday, December 2nd. We'd love to have full participation from the current Donahue families and extra help from anyone who's able. We want to raise $150,000 in a single day. It will enhance the Donahue mission of Catholic classical education.
Truth, beauty, and goodness. Jesus Christ is truth himself. And so being a classical school and talking about those transcendentals, we're able to just point to Christ and say he is the truth. He is the way. Follow him. And so Catholic classical education really is, in my opinion, the best way to educate students.
This is a special place, and this push for Giving Tuesday is part of an overall plan for growth.
We need so much more because this is a great school and we need it to get bigger.
Everything you do, you can connect to God. And I think that a lot of schools don't offer that, and that this is a very special place. And the bigger we can get it, the more people we get in here, the better the world will be.
Help students like him and others by sharing this QR code. Donate, and ask 5 friends to do the same. Together, we can do this.
I'm calling on all of our family members to come together on that day and give to Donahue. December 2 for Donahue.